In this lesson, we will cover a standard within competency number 2 of your TExES core subjects test, which reads, teaching strategies for decoding increasingly complex words and using syntax and semantics to support word identification and confirm word meaning for students in grades 4 through 6. Teaching students the ability to decode increasingly complex words is a fundamental aspect of literacy education. By the end of this lesson, you will have a firm grasp about systematic strategies to help educators teach advanced vowel sound combinations, structural elements, including prefixes, suffixes, roots, and base words, and also syllable types, syllable division patterns, and the application of syntax and semantics to support word identification and confirm meaning. Let's begin with decoding complex words. The following methodologies provide an educational framework that you can both use and be aware of for your exam. First, we have the morphological approach. This is when we teach the elements such as prefixes, which we add at the beginning of a word, for example, the un in unhappy. The suffixes added at the end of a word, for example, happiness. Roots, and also called base words, which are the primary units of the word that holds meaning, for example, happy in happiness. Now, building these skills helps students learn to analyze and decode words by understanding word parts, facilitating word recognition and also comprehension. Next, let's talk about vowel sound analysis, which puts focus on advanced word and vowel sound combinations, emphasizing their significance in word pronunciation and meaning. By categorizing mapping different vowel sounds, students can recognize and decode unfamiliar words and thereby enhance their phonological awareness. Now let's move on to syllable division and analysis. This is when a teacher will introduce syllable types like closed, open, silent E, or more, and also syllable division patterns like VCCV or CVC, and also others, as ways to decode multisyllabic words. Teaching students to identify and blend syllables contributes to their ability to tackle complex words and reinforces their understanding of word structure. Another method is to utilize syntax and semantics, which offers educational layers of understanding in word identification. Here are strategies to integrate these concepts that you'll want to be on the lookout for your exam. First, we have syntax analysis. We must teach the importance of syntax, which is the structure of sentences, as a means to interpret word meaning. This encourages students to analyze sentence structures and word order to decode words, cultivating a deeper comprehension of grammatical constructs. Semantic context analysis. Remember that from our competency number 1 lesson, that semantics is the word study of meaning. Here we guide students to use context, clues, and associations within sentences to understand unfamiliar words. Encourage analytical thinking by having students investigate surrounding words and phrases, confirming the intended meaning. Here we have our conclusion. Teaching word analysis and identification necessitates a comprehensive approach that acknowledges the complexity of the English language. This chapter provided you with the proven strategies to teach students in grades 4 through 6 how to decode increasingly complex words. By integrating these methods into our instruction, you and I, we as teachers, can facilitate a deeper understanding of language, empowering students to become skilled readers and critical thinkers. In this lesson, we will cover the final standard within competency number 2, fostering collaboration with families and other professionals to promote all students' abilities in word analysis and identification. Not a great test taker? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter, better, with everything you need to pass all in one place. So you get the test results you want and become a certified teacher with teacherpreps.com.